Kung mag-travel kayo sa Thailand, huwag niyong papalampasin tong ancient city of Ayutthaya, a UNESCO World Heritage Site located just north of Bangkok. Ayutthaya is known for its ancient temples, royal ruins, and rich cultural history. Dahil 2 hours ang biyahe papunta dito, nag-book na lang kami ng tour sa Klook at 5 locations na ang mapupuntahan. You can use my code to get an extra discount. Ang meetup ay sa Siam Paragon at 10 a.m. Naka-indicate naman yung instructions sa Klook voucher nyo. First up is Bang Paing Palace, also known as Summer Palace, that was built in the 17th century and is still in use today. Take note, mahigpit sila sa dress code, bawal lang naka-sleeveless at naka-shorts, pero may mabibilihan naman ng cardigan or pants sa entrance. 100 baht lang ito at ito yung sample ng nabili ko. Bawal din pala mag-video sa loob, pero pwede mag-picture and this is what it looks like from the inside. Next stop, we had lunch at Central Ayutthaya, mall siya na may food court. Sa third floor kami kumain, madaming pagpipilian at nasa less than 100 baht lang per meal. After nyan, pumunta na kami sa mga temples na ito. First is Wat Yai Chai Mongkon Temple. Next is Chai Watanaram Temple. And the last temple that we visited was Wat Mahathat Temple. This temple is believed to be Ayutthaya's oldest temples, possibly built in 1370. The highlight, of course, was the iconic Buddha head entwined in tree roots. It is also believed that the tree grew around the head, which I'm not really certain about. Madaming theories, but one thing's for sure, this tour is very educational and filled with cultural insights. Props to our tour guide who's incredibly knowledgeable and kept us engaged from start to finish. Our last stop is Ayutthaya Night Market. Nandito na yata lahat ng pagkain, guys, whether street food, southern Thailand cuisines, desserts, drinks, and even clothes. So make sure to bring enough cash. By 6 p.m., we are on the road back to Bangkok. This is definitely a must-try tour and let me know if you have questions.